Good afternoon, my folks and friends. You're tuned in to the Burler Bourbon Room, and I'm your host, DeAndre. And you guessed it. Today we are talking about early times bourbon, total $21.39. And man, the juice that is in this is amazing. So let's talk about it. I already had a little bit before. And no, I'm not sipping out of a Glencairn today. And that is okay, because I'm sipping out of a tumbler. It's metal. I take it when I go to different tastings and stuff, so I don't break my Glencairn. We'll talk about this cup later, but it's also great. So, what kind of makes this bourbon great is the nose. So to be an early times bottled and bond variation, on the bottle it clearly states early times bottled and bond is our tribute to historic bourbon whiskey making honors above the quality standards set forth by the U.S. Bottled and Bond Act of 1897. The act requires whiskey and by this product to be of one distiller that is distilled at one American distillery during the distilling season. The whiskey must be aged for at least 4 years under the government supervision secured by the federal buildings and bottled at 100 proof. And then, of course, it's going to have the DSP KY 354 and the DSP KY 12. So on the nose, man, this thing is great. Subtle honey, a little bit of toffee, definite caramel, and I'm picking up almonds for some reason. It could be because of the factory sweet by Dura Estates I smoked earlier. Even though I brushed my teeth, I've drank a bunch of water since then. For those of us that smoke cigars, you know that palate of cigar stays with you for a while. So let's go in for a taste. Well, to be at 100 proof, I will definitely say it is very smooth. You get that nice little warm Kentucky hug that kind of just moves down, but it's very subtle. And for $20.31, for the first 15 to 20 seconds as it stays on your palate, is absolutely amazing. And then it kind of just dies off, and then there's like a caramel lingering. I don't know if you guys remember that caramel. I think it might have been called Caramello, where you break it and no matter how great it is, you always ended up getting it on your clothes with that nice little string of caramel. Well, this doesn't get your clothes dirty, but it definitely indeed has a smooth finish that's set up for you there. So yeah, it's just absolutely amazing, guys. I encourage you to be able to, wherever you can find this in your local stores, to get out and get it. I'm trying to get it to focus just on the bottle itself, taking me out of the equation. But early times, bottled and bond. This is exactly what it looks like. There we go. You can see it a little bit better there. Truly recommend. Thank you for tuning in to the Burler Bourbon Room channel. And I look forward to speaking with you soon. And as always, drink them, sip them, and enjoy.